Okay, this is another piece I had picked up in gathering up out of the field my old scattered collections, as I was told to empty out my crates, my wooden box apple crates that I was given collections in, as many people were afraid they were radioactive or something was going to jump out of them after the 1930s attack from Mars scare, which was not a joke. It was really a crime, actually, because people became fearmongers and killed themselves. People were afraid they were radioactive. They were afraid that their neighbors would come and trespass, trying to stake claims, like a gold rush mentality of idiocy, that private property is no longer private property and that possessions belong to anybody who can come and grab and steal, just like anything inside a house or outside. Anyway, so I was out on property recovery because I was told to dump out my rock collections I was given, so the family could take the boxes because they could use the boxes for their fruit. This was one piece that I picked up, and I can't get any response on it, so from anybody or on any of the pieces in question, of whether they were just general geological specimens or specimens, placer mine exposition specimens for examination. There were teachers that had given me collections from university levels. There were civil engineers. There were even Army Corps of Civil Engineers that were professionally employed. So these were not given to me, the collections, and I don't know all of the professions of other people that I purchased from estates that were pre-20th century and pre-even 19th century and post-19th century collections that they had inherited that were banished to basements, attics, or outside into outbuilding and carriage houses and garages, which were given to me, and then the boxes taken. I had picked this piece up with several others and had collected all I could carry, threw them as close as I could to the road and set buckets down to come back with a wheelbarrow. And I had been teaching the mother how to search and hunt, and she went for a walk to get the paper, and she picked this one out of the collection. So it was kind of something we both found, and I don't know what it is. I did grind a little window. I'm going to grind a larger one for a sample. I'm going to put it in this bag here so we can see a little more. You can see a little bit of shine to it. I'm doing this to all of them, and if anybody has anything to contribute, they're welcome to. I'm not getting any contributions of information really regarding anything, so I'm not sure what exactly that means.